My name is Kati and this is my channel. Welcome everybody to watch what happens in my lifestyle video. What's the weather? Wind direction is north. Humidity is 85% and mostly cloudy here. Today we are learning how to grow a paperwhite from bulbs. Welcome everybody to watch this educational short movie. Grow your own flower. The paperwhites need a good drainage. In Latin, Narcissus taceta. In Sweden, Tefat. In German, Teller. In Italian, Piatto. In Finnish, Tasetti. Let me introduce you the Death Dahlia's oil painting. I painted the Death Dahlia's oil painting in year 2004. Day temperature is -6 and night temperature will be -8 Celsius degrees. Snow is frozen water. 32 degrees Fahrenheit is the freezing point of water. The paperwhite Siva is a white-flowered, a perennial ornamental plant that grows in bulbs indoors. Planting. Plant the onion so that the tip of the bulb remains visible. Water with soil and leave in light under plant lamps. The paperwhite belongs to the series daffodils. And has Christmas tradition dates back to the 1910s. The flowers grow 30 to 40 centimeter high white blossoms. The Death Dahlia's oil painting canvas size is 30.40 centimeter. What could be more emotional? This is our newest flower base named the Christmas car. Long-lasting. Liquid autumn water begin to show form of ice. looks white, but it's really clear. Children love it. There are lights everywhere on November in North. We are taking a bus to a local store. Only few minutes to shop everything we need. The Paperwhite smells strongly like an expensive perfume. The small star-shaped paper flowers are planted in a group. Thrive in the warmth of the room. Not suitable for allergy sufferers. In the language of flowers, the message on the plate is be happy. Bulbs bloom in just over a month in right care. To prolong the flowering, you can take them to a cool plus 10 Celsius degrees at night. Cactus soil is the best for daffodils. They even like to grow with rocks. The white paper needs constant moist so that the development is not interrupted. Now we are placing sticks to support them if it's too warm. Watering with fresh, room temperature water is doing fine. Look at what amazingly beauties will arrive. The Paperwhite absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen in the air. That is used by all living beings for breathing. The Death Dahlia's oil painting has a grieving, deep feelings. I'm sorry, we are here for you. We think it works. The car flower base is waiting for blooming. You may use it for ages. Because made of silk flowers and Christmas decorations. All snowflakes have 6 sides of arms. No 2 snowflakes are exactly alike. Fluffy snow is different. We got from a post package full of flower equipment. Skating, sledding, and snowboarding are fun snow activities. Skiing, ice hockey, skating also. That's why we love it here in Nordic Gold. Visit Finland. The Paperwhite aesthetic use is showy purpose, like mostly beauty health benefits. for watching. We hope you share or enjoy to our channel. And see you on the next videos and the previous ones. Bye bye. Please share or join to our channel. See you on our next and previous short movies. Bye bye. Welcome everybody to our YouTube channel to @Kati Makinen 8647. The script, photographs, the idea, poems and videos by @Kati.Makinen8. Welcome everybody to our Instagram page to @Kati.Makinen8. Thank you.